So this is the Setpower AJ40. It's a 40-liter portable fridge slash freezer for camping and overlanding. We can plug it into the truck either in the 12-volt outlets, or if we have a separate battery pack, or in the back of the bed. And this can hold quite a lot. It's 40 liters. I was really eager to test out the new mini fridge, so I called up a few buddies after work on Friday afternoon, and we headed out of town to have a fire and a couple of cold drinks. Something that would keep our fruits, vegetables, meats, and drinks cold. Something that would work good, but without costing thousands of dollars. And this one comes in at a price point of $279 regularly priced, but they do have sales pretty often. So I compared many of the more budget-friendly options that were out there on the market, and I found the AJ40, which seemed to be pretty awesome. It can maintain a cold temperature as cold as -17 degrees Celsius, which is, I believe, 0 Fahrenheit. It's shockproof, and it has lots of space inside with a nice organization system and divider. I did a quick test to see what was like the tallest and biggest item that I could fit in the fridge, and I can confirm that a jug of milk as well as a regular sized bottle of wine can also fit. Now the entire fridge itself weighs about 35 pounds even when it's empty, so it does have some weight to it. There are some handles that can be attached or removed on the side depending on how you want to install it in your vehicle, but overall it does feel very durable and strong. Now this is a question I got asked a lot, was how much power does it draw, and it draws 55 watts of power at max mode. So it has max mode, which is basically like full power to get the coldest, the fastest, and then it also has an eco mode, which helps maintain temperatures, but it comes on slower. Now a really cool feature about this fridge is that it has a built-in battery voltage monitoring system. So you can set that to what you want it to turn itself off at if it detects the voltage level dropping down to 3 different settings: 12.4 volts, 11.4 volts, and 10.9 volts. So the fridge just plugs directly into your 12-volt outlet in your vehicle, or you can plug it into like a battery pack or something like that, but it also comes with an adapter that allows you to plug it into just a normal wall outlet, or if you're at a powered campsite you can plug it in there too, which is really awesome. So yeah guys, this is the portable fridge we ended up going with. I had lots of questions over on Instagram about it, so I figured I would throw this info into a quick video and hopefully it helps answer some of those questions and sort of show you guys a budget-friendly sort of best bang for buck fridge to consider. So far it's worked pretty good for me, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated in future videos. With that guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching as always. I really appreciate all the love and support on the videos lately. If you got a minute to drop a comment on this video, I'd be super thankful. Let me know your thoughts on portable fridges, or what you're using, or what your thoughts are on different ones out on the market, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.